In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for evergreen versus news topics, fast and easy. If you've ever wondered how to maximize the impact of your content by understanding which topics have staying power and which are just fleeting blips, then this guide is for you. Let's dive right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Trends and hit Enter. You'll see the very first result is indeed what we're looking for. Click right on it to go directly to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, locate and click on the Explore button. This will take you to the main area where you'll find all the valuable data Google Trends has to offer. Now, before we dive headfirst into data analysis, it's important to have a clear idea of the topics you're planning to evaluate. These could be a mix of possible evergreen topics like how to lose weight, or perhaps more news-driven topics, such as Oscars 2025 winners. Having these keywords ready, the next step is to enter them one by one in the search bar. Don't forget to make use of those filters right at the top. Adjust the location to suit your target audience's region. Next, set the time range. For evergreen topics, looking at data from the past 5 years will help you spot consistent patterns. For more transient topics, a past 30 days view will help you catch those sudden news spikes. Additionally, choosing the right category and search type ensures you're zeroing in on what matters most. Use web search for general topics or news search for media-driven interests. After setting the parameters, simply press Enter to view your trend graph. Here you'll start to see the bigger picture. Evergreen topics tend to display a stable or slowly growing interest over a period of years. Meanwhile, news or trending topics often show sharp spikes, which are quickly followed by declines. This is key to understanding whether your chosen topic will bring you long-term, steady traffic or a short-lived surge of attention. For a broader perspective, Google Trends allows you to compare multiple topics. By clicking the plus compare button, you can view several ideas concurrently on the same graph. This visual comparison is perfect for discerning which topics will sustain their relevance over time and which are more likely to fizzle out quickly. Be sure to scroll down to the Related Queries and Related Topics sections as well. Evergreen queries often feature terms like how-to or best tips, while news topic queries might include recent events or dates. Using the rising view will reveal fresh angles on current news stories. Finally, to effectively plan your content strategy, use the download icon to export your data into a CSV file. Organize your spreadsheet into 2 categories: Evergreen for stable interest pillar content, and News or Trending for timely posts or social media boosts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to leverage Google Trends to discern which content topics will serve your needs most effectively for both the long haul and immediate attention grabbers. Happy analyzing!